Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Microsoft PowerPoint on Windows 10. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the easiest starting point if you are not already on Microsoft's website and want to quickly find the correct PowerPoint download page. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type in PowerPoint download for Windows 10, then run the search. Using a clear search phrase like this helps narrow the results so you can find the official Microsoft page more easily and avoid unrelated websites. From the search results, look for the Microsoft listing titled PowerPoint Slide, Presentations and Slides Online at Microsoft 365 and click it. It is important to choose the official Microsoft result so you are downloading from a trusted source. This helps make sure you get the correct version for Windows 10 and reduces the risk of downloading anything unofficial. After the Microsoft PowerPoint page opens, scroll down through the page and look for the option related to downloading the app. Depending on how the page is laid out, this section may be lower on the page, so take your time and continue scrolling until you find it. If the page looks slightly different on your screen, that is normal, since website layouts can change over time. When you see the Download App option, click on it. This should take you closer to the area where Microsoft provides device-specific choices. Stay on the official page and wait for the next section to load if needed. Next, scroll down again and look for the Windows option. Since this guide is specifically for Windows 10, make sure you select the Windows version rather than any options for other devices or platforms. Once you find the Windows option, click it and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the download and installation process. Microsoft may guide you through a few prompts, and you may need to confirm standard installation steps on your computer. Just read each screen carefully and continue as directed. As a quick tip, keep your internet connection stable during the download and make sure you have enough space on your device before installing. If Windows asks for permission to allow the installer to make changes, that is a normal part of the installation process from a trusted source. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of finding and downloading Microsoft PowerPoint for Windows 10 using the official Microsoft website.